How can we add pages to a Google form to make the survey clearer and easier to read? Here, I have a product satisfaction survey that includes questions about product quality, product appearance, and more. I want to divide the form into pages so that each page contains questions about one single topic, making the survey more organized. Step 1. Open your Google form in FormsApp and locate the place where you want to split the form. For me, I want to add a page break at this question. Everything above it is about product quality, and everything below it is about product appearance. So click this question. Step 2. At the bottom, you'll see an Add Section button. Click Add Section, and a new section will be inserted. I'll name this section Product Appearance, because all the following questions are about appearance. Scroll upward and you'll notice that the previous questions are now grouped as Section 1, and the following questions become Section 2. Each section represents one page of the form. Next, click Preview in the upper right corner. You'll see that the form is now automatically divided into pages based on the sections. Each section becomes a separate page. Finally, click Publish in the upper right corner. Copy the form link or save the QR code, then share it with your customers. When they open the form, they'll see the fully paginated version.